Hey guys, it's Michelle. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be styling my toddler's hair using Reagan Sanai products. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this video. So here's winter and this is how our hair is looking before wash day. It is dry and detangled. So we're going to start off by rinsing her hair off and getting it nice and wet. And after we do that, I'm going to go in with their shampoo, and I'm going to make sure to list all the products for you guys below in the description box so that you can find them. But this is the moisturizing black soap shampoo. This cleanses the scalp and softens the hair, and I like to apply it in her scalp so that it can get in her scalp and then onto her hair so that it can get nice and clean because her hair can get pretty dirty. So I rinsed that out after washing it twice, and I'm going to use the avocado and banana deep conditioner, and I really love this conditioner. I probably have used about 5 or 6 of these. Like, we really love this conditioner. So I will apply this to her hair and apply it throughout. It really softens her hair, and what I'll do is I'll kind of section it. Once I get it all throughout the hair, I'll kind of open it like I'm doing here, and just to make sure that all of the hair is getting the deep conditioner on it, I'll just break it up and then put the deep conditioner within each section like that. And then what I'm gonna do, just gonna do some detangling with the conditioner still sitting on the hair. And sometimes this process can take a while, and sometimes it doesn't take as long. It just depends on what style her hair was in before. If her hair was in braids, then usually her hair is not as detangled, so it doesn't take that long. So this day it didn't take too long for me to detangle, just like around the top area. Okay, so after letting that sit for about 15 minutes, I'm just going to rinse all of the deep conditioner out, and you can see the hair is nice and soft and silky, so I'm just going to make sure to get all of that out. So here's how her hair is looking. It looks nice and moisturized, and I'm going to begin the styling process. So I'm going to go in with the moisturizing aloe refreshing spray, and this is going to help revive the curls and lock in moisture right before the styling. So I'm going to spray that and make sure to focus it on her ends, and then I'm going to go in with the leave-in detangler, and I'm going to apply that to each section and work it down her hair. And then I'm going to do a little more detangling just to make sure that there aren't any knots or anything. I'm just going to detangle once more. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Rosemary Hibiscus Curl Defining Gel, and this is going to add shine to her hair and help it look nice and polished. So I'm going to put that on her hair and then brush her hair around the edges. And then I'm going to secure that section with a little hair tie. And then I'm going to go in and twist each section, and that's going to be all I'm going to do for each section of her hair. And I really like that with this line you can use all the products and cocktail it how you would like. Like with winter, we only used a few of the products from the line, but with my daughter Snow, we used different products on her hair. And I'm going to have a video styling my other daughter's hair up on my Instagram channel. I'll make sure to link that in the description box for you. Both of them have completely different hair types. Winter's hair is more of the type 3 curls, and Snow's hair is type 4. So I'm going to be using some of these products and also the other products from this line on her hair. So I want you guys to take a look at that, just so that you can see the different ways you can use these products. So this is the end of the video, and here are Winter's results. And yeah, so I'm going to make sure to link the products for you below. And we really love Reagan Sanai products. We've been using them for well over a year, and we definitely have these products as a staple in my girls' hair routine. So yeah, I'll make sure to link them for you, and I'll see you guys in my next video.